Hello guys, this is Ijoma Ibe Official. I hope you're all doing great. Today I'm going to be doing a twist braid for my daughter. So first I have to start by sectioning the hair into small parts. So after that, after making it, so I have to put it in the hot water for straighten the hair. Alright, we are almost done with the hair. So after that I have to put it in the hot water. Right, this is the last part of the hair, the last one. Alright, so we have to put it in the hot water to straighten the hair. Please, if you watch all the way to this time, please subscribe to my channel for more videos at Ijoma Ibe Official. Please like, share, and comment. So as you can see the final look of the hair now.
We have to pack it now.
So pretty.
Maybe this. A little bit.
Right now I have to pack it. You know, really when you finish doing hair, it's also hot a little bit, so I'm taking it time, taking it easy with her. As you can see, you say it's hot, so I have to pack the hair. Done. We are done with it. So now, alright guys, we are done. Look at the hair now. The final look. See? Final look of the hair. Smile. Give us a smile. Final look